Rafael Betancourt, 9 for 9 in save opportunities this year. The league, Huey hitting just .204 against him.
They're going to work the fastball away and down.
Got him up top. 1 out in the 9th inning. 2-2 on Crawford. He's got him. 2 outs.
I could go back there again with the curveball. I can hit it on the outside corner with the fastball, like I just pitched to Brandon Crawford, and get the strikeout that way.
1-2, he's got him. And the Rockies end the streak. Betancourt nails down his 10th save in grand style as he gets the Giants 1-2-3 and punches out the side.